Good morning and welcome to Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson. Happy Wednesday and happy International Women's Day. On today's episode, we're talking to our friends from Stars Theater. How are you all?
Good. How are you?
Now we're here because there's another production. They've always got things going on over there. But Ellie and Leslie, would you all be able to tell us about your show and your characters?
Yes, so we're in a show called Fefu and Her Friends. And I'm Ellie, I play Fefu. And she's kind of a quirky character. She's surrounded by her friends and then one person who doesn't know her. But she says these very outlandish things that kind of push people into a sort of discomfort for her own entertainment. So she's kind of a fun person to be around.
And I'm Leslie and I play Emma. Emma is a very eccentric person as well, and I think that that's why our characters get along so well. She's well-traveled, she's very dramatic, and she comes to help put on this dramatic presentation for a charity that they're doing. And it's interesting because I feel like I'm a lot like Emma, and yet I find her to be quite a challenging character to play. I can't really explain that, but yeah, so.
And the play is set in the 1930s. How can people today resonate with that?
So I think this really focuses on the friendships between women and how those change over time. So this is a group of friends that have known each other from school, and then they sort of form these bonds, and it explores how those bonds might break or evolve over time through stages of life. So I feel like that's pretty timeless.
Okay, now where can everyone get tickets?
bmtstars.com.
Okay, there you have it, bmtstars.com if you want to see this wonderful show. Thank you all for coming. Coming up next, it is Taco March Madness, as you can see, and we're going to show you all one of our nominees.